Happy Sunday, besties. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I do still have a raspy voice, apologies, but this time it's because I attended the Taylor Swift concert. It was so much fun, but that is not what this video is about. Today, we are talking about packing like a pro. If I do say so myself, I am a pro at packing. I have successfully packed 8 outfits for 5 days in this little Rimowa classic cabin carry-on case. I will basically unpack this with you and share kind of my best tips and tricks as to how we pack like a pro and how we can travel with 8 outfits in just a carry-on case. Guys, I want to preface a little bit because I am wearing one of the outfits, which essentially entails that we will have 9 outfits with us, but clearly we have to wear something when we travel, right? What I always do, right? I essentially always travel in the jewelry I want to have with me because I don't like packing my jewelry in my luggage. Even though I bring my luggage with me at all times, but still, I don't want it in my luggage, okay? So essentially, I'm traveling in the jewelry I'm gonna bring. I'm traveling in a little bit of a necklace stack. I'm traveling in my Cartier Santos watch. I'm traveling in an Hermes Click H bracelet, and then my Esdomera little ring stack that I have linked in my description, and my little ruby ring that I got from family. So I'm bringing 2 bags on this trip. I'm bringing my Luciano Soprani blue mock croc bag, and I'm bringing my new favorite bag, which is my Cartier bag. I'm obsessed with this bag. So these are the bag options we're bringing. I'm gonna pack them in a little, you know, travel tote just for not squishing them in my bag. But here we go. How can we make you see this? Because now we are going to unpack this Rimowa Classic Cabin case and I will show you how much fits. Okay, this angle will be bad, but just bear with me. Because essentially, I just want to show you what's in here and then I will show you the outfits in a more appropriate angle. Right. First off, we have a scarf, because bringing a silk scarf in the color scheme, which is something that we're gonna talk about, but in the color scheme that I'm packing is always a good idea, because what if you go and you wanna wear a silk scarf and you don't have a silk scarf with you? That would be sad. Then we have not 1, not 2, but 3 blazers. We are basically working a little bit with the kind of 3 by 3 by 3 rule, right? So we're packing 3 of each thing, essentially, to be able to create a bunch of outfits. We have 1 Cartier belt. We have 1 little braided belt. Then I have some like under stuff, so like an underskirt, an underdress, and another underdress. Because dresses underneath dresses is essential for your clothing to look good and everything to look smooth and stuff. So now we have a little Everlane cami in silk. We have a Zimmermann silk dress, a J. Crew cotton dress, that was difficult to say. We have a Ralph Lauren linen dress, fabulous. We have a Lily silk, what's this? A tie neck blouse is what it's called. We have a little Lily silk lady jacket. We have a Lily silk cashmere t-shirt. Oh my gosh. This video is not sponsored by Lily Silk, but I just wear these things all of the time. Then we have a little Gant t-shirt. We have a pair of Ralph Lauren slacks. We have a pair of Uniqlo slacks. That's it for this side. That was aggressive. I am sorry. Then we have my undies that I'm not gonna talk you through. We have a little case with brushes. We have 3 scrunchies to match the color theme of this little lookbook, if you will. Like my little cosmetic case for like my toothbrush and stuff. And we have my makeup bag. Then, my friends, we have 3 pairs of shoes because I am extra. 5 days, 3 pairs, plus my little sneakers. Okay. To maximize the space in terms of packing shoes, we put heels in the middle because in the Rimowa Classic Cabin luggage, the largest little compartment in between the little telescopic handle thingies that will stick up here, you have the largest space in the middle. So this is where we put heels. We put the heels like so. So basically, you won't be able to see if I have them in the dust bags. I am sorry. We put the heels like this, right? So that they stack flat. White Manolos. We have Oh, I put these in the wrong dust bag. We have a pair of Hermes loafers. A little pair of Hermes suede loafers I think will go with most of these outfits. I'm so excited. These are new to me, right? But we'll talk about that later. These are my little Hermes suede loafers. So obsessed. Then essentially we have another pair of Manolo Blahnik shoes, but a pair of Manolo Blahnik flats. This is essentially everything I have in my luggage. Now I'm gonna show you that we can create a bunch of outfits with these, namely 8 outfits with all of these clothes. I'm sure I could pair like a bunch more outfits, but that is just how it is. And then I always travel with a pair of little, you know, hotel slippers. Do not tell anyone I stole these from a hotel, but essentially I always travel with one of these in the bottom of my suitcase in case there are no slippers in the hotel. Because living for an entire week in a hotel without slippers, that is my worst nightmare, not to be dramatic, but okay. Let me show you the outfits and then you will see how well you can travel just with a carry-on case. Guys, now I need to get out of this angle because this is embarrassing. Okay, so this first outfit, which is the travel outfit. Here we are wearing, like I said, my Uniqlo little t-shirt, my blue jeans that my mom wore in the 80s, they're Levi's, my little Ralph Lauren cable knit jumper, tied around my little shoulders, and then my Saint Laurent sneakers. An easy outfit for an easy travel day. Likely I will be wearing my sunglasses as well, and I will obviously be dragging around my little Rimowa Classic cap and luggage. So that is the first outfit. Very, very simple. Okay, so for this next outfit, right, we're wearing this J. Crew dress. This dress I think is super classy, super chic, super easy to pack. It's 100% cotton. It has like a little belt type thingy. It's just, if I do say so myself, quite cute. I am wearing it with my Hermes suede navy blue loafers. I'm also wearing it with my Luciano Soprani bag and then just a bunch of jewelry. Super simple outfit, I get it. In cold climates, this would not be the outfit, but essentially, if you're cold, just add a trench coat, like my navy blue Burberry trench coat. Could be a good option for this. In this next outfit, we're wearing like one of my favorite new things. These are my navy blue cotton and linen blend slacks from Uniqlo. Oh my gosh, fast fashion, who is she? I am essentially wearing those. I mean, they're giving Gen Z, if I do say so myself. They're a little bit oversized, they're drapey, they're long, they have the little pleats. I think they're super chic. To balance it out though, I'm pairing that tight fitted Gant t-shirt with my kind of lady jacket or cropped blazer, right, from Brooks Brothers. I think this together just gives chic. I'm also pairing it with my Luciano Soprani navy blue bag. Quite chic, if I do say so myself. So that is the second outfit. Let's run through the third outfit, which is an outfit that I bought specifically for this event and for some other events in the future. This is my Zimmermann silk dress. This Zimmermann Bordeaux color dress I think goes very, very well with these Manolo Blahnik flats. This outfit, super easy to put together and super comfortable to wear. If I had unlimited space, I would probably wear this with my Chanel little bag. You know, that chocolate brown little Chanel double flap in the small size. But we don't have unlimited space when we're traveling, so likely I will wear my little Luciano Soprani bag handheld with this outfit. Obviously, we'll pair all the jewelry that I have with me, and that's about it for that outfit. In my next outfit, we're wearing a new item in my wardrobe, which is my Max Mara linen blazer. I bought this linen blazer for this summer because I have been lacking a linen blazer in my wardrobe. I found this one for like 80 euros on Vestiaire Collective, so I thought, why not add it to my wardrobe? It's a super chic timeless blazer that I can have for forever. It's basically in this ecru color, as you can see, and I think this pairs fabulously with my Lily Silk cashmere t-shirt. Also pairing it with my Ralph Lauren beige slacks. I could either wear it with my Cartier belt or with my little braided belt. We will see. We will figure it out. I think that level of choosing to style while on your vacation or on your trip, I think is fine. More than that, I would probably not leave up to kind of the occasion, right? But that's fine. Also, depending on how I feel, I might wear it with my blue loafers or with my Manolo flats, depending on how dressy people are in general. So that is that outfit complete. This next outfit is a casual dinner outfit. Here we are re-wearing those Uniqlo navy blue slacks. We're pairing one of my favorite things in my wardrobe that I've been wearing on repeat recently, which is my Lily Silk Lady jacket. We are also pairing those navy blue loafers. We are also pairing that navy blue Luciano Soprani bag. Super simple. Wear with all of the jewelry and you are fine. Potentially pop on a little sunglass if it's sunny and then you're golden. Now we are back in those Ralph Lauren slacks. We're pairing it with one of these luxurious pieces that I think, like, it can either go super professional or slightly priest vibes. Either or, I'm fine with it. I think it's super chic. What do you guys think? This is my Lily Silk tie neck blouse. Oh my gosh, do you see the fabulous silk? I'm obsessed. I think this is just a great, simple, easygoing outfit. Depending once again on how fancy I want to be, I could pair it with either shoe option, honestly. I could pair it with either belt option, which is kind of the value of having all things with you that go together seamlessly. So chic, we are obsessed. Now, we're going to a white party. We're wearing this little Ralph Lauren linen dress. We are pairing it with my white Manolos. We are pairing it with that Lily Silk Lady jacket that we wore previously. But now we're just tying it around my shoulders just for a little bit of like coastal grandma vibes, I guess, if you will. We are pairing it with that little Luciano Soprani bag handheld. I'm sorry if you can hear a dog barking. My neighbor has a dog and it's barking, so it's difficult for me to do anything about it, but apologies. We have a spare outfit just in case I don't want to wear one of them. I don't like doing this, but sometimes it's good to bring a spare outfit. This spare outfit is essentially something that I could pull in as a piece in other outfits too. It's that Everlane silk cami, and it's that Armani blazer, you know, the red cropped one. Right. I would probably, if I want to wear this as an outfit, I would probably wear it with the Ralph Lauren slacks with that little Cartier belt. And that's basically the outfit. All of that fits seamlessly, as you saw in the beginning, in my Rimowa Classic cabin luggage. How fabulous is that? So now that we've seen the outfits, right, you may have caught on to the fact that these outfits, they're essentially in one color scheme. If you want to travel with very limited luggage capacity, but still wear a lot of chic outfits, my recommendation would be to choose a color scheme. What does that mean? Basically, for this color scheme, as you might be able to see from the little pile of clothing back there, I chose white or beige, I see those as the same, navy blue and maroon. Right, essentially what this does, right, this gives us endless opportunities to pair different outfits together, because basically, in my opinion, all of these colors go well together. Because in my world, right, a great outfit consists of 3 colors. I think that's one of those basic rules of dressing, right, that actually holds true. I think if you look at an outfit and a person wears 2 colors, it can look a little bit two-dimensional. But if you wear 3 colors, then I think your outfit pops a little bit more. So that's why I chose 3 colors. And my 3 favorite colors in outfits, especially for spring and summer, are white, beige, same color, navy blue, and maroon. But it doesn't stop there, right? I think when you have this limited luggage capacity, right, I think it's key to try on every single outfit before you pack. Why is this, you may ask? Well, in this type of scenario, I think failing to plan means that you're planning to fail, because maybe something doesn't fit as you have imagined in your mind. Maybe some 2 colors for some reason do not go together, even if you thought they would. Maybe the outfit feels like it doesn't feel as comfortable as you thought, and then you won't want to wear it. Maybe it's just something that feels off, right? Or maybe it's the opposite. Maybe everything works out perfectly, but in my world, I like to plan out and try on the outfits. So essentially what I do, right, to pack like a pro, I sit down listen to some great music such as Taylor Swift. I plan out every event that I will have to go to, and I write down the dress code if there is a dress code for said event. So I have basically a table, right? A table with the event, a table with the dress code, and then a table with the actual outfit. So not to go to Excel person on you, but create an Excel spreadsheet or whatever spreadsheet format you prefer. Have those 3 columns, right? And then you basically fill in every event and every dress code and every outfit, so that you make sure, for one, that you have everything with you when you pack, but also to make sure that you can pick out different pieces from each outfit and recreate them in other outfits too. Did that make sense? I hope so. So essentially, try to maximize the amount of outfits per piece. If you're the type of person who's like, I don't want to wear one thing more than once between washes, this video is not for you, because re-wearing things when on vacation or when packing for something is key, because otherwise you will not, probably, depending on the length of your stay, but if you're traveling for 5 days and you need 8 outfits and you only want to wear everything once, then you will not make do with a carry-on case. I'm pretty confident in saying that. At least I wouldn't be able to. So rewear the things, make sure that you plan out the actual outfits to a T, so that also while being away you don't have to spend time thinking about, oh my gosh, what am I wearing? Like stressing out in the mornings because you don't know what to wear. No, we don't want that. We can do that in the comfort of our own home instead of like in the hotel, you know? Because here we actually have all of our clothing to pick from. In the hotel, when you've already packed, you only have what's in your luggage, right? The key takeaways: plan every outfit in accordance to the event and in accordance to the dress code that you have to dress for. Sounds simple, but I feel like everyone doesn't do that, and that's why they overpack. Right. Secondly, I would take photos of the outfits. When I try them on, I just take a photo. It doesn't have to be a cute photo. Just take a photo in your mirror. I know, how millennial, taking mirror selfies, but still, just take that mirror selfie so that you have basically the outfit in picture format, and then when on your trip you can look back at the photo and be like, ah yes, that was what I was meaning with all of that text in the Excel spreadsheet, right? Then just fold everything carefully. Make sure that, like in the case of a blazer, you fold it in the right way. Simple, but still, just do that. Make sure that you pack all your shoes in dust bags so that they don't like scratch each other along the way. And then you just go your merry way, lock up your Moa case, and you are on your way. Right, so now that we have essentially packed, we have planned, we have done all the steps, then it's just a matter of wearing the outfit. So have you tried packing in this manner? Do you feel like it gives you more bang for your buck in terms of space in your luggage? Do please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video and spending this time and space with me. If you have not had enough of me just yet, then I will link another video right here in case you have not already seen it. If you liked the video, don't forget to like. I will see you back here next Sunday at 3 p.m. And until then, stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.